In today's video, I'll be doing some guava and pineapple juice. Lots of vitamin C to boost your system. Yes, lots of vitamin C, some guava and some pineapple. So my pineapple skin, whenever I peel a pineapple, I wash the skin and I freeze it. So watch me through this and watch this screen to see how I do this. I boil my pineapple skin for at least 10 to 15 minutes because it is packed with lots of benefits. Yes, it can be used to make tea and also juice. You can boil your ginger or you can blend your ginger. In this video, I'll be blending my ginger with my guavas. Here, I soaked my guavas in water, cut them. The seeds are hard to get out, they will not blend. So once you blend your guava, you can strain with a strainer and also cheesecloth. That's what I did. I use a strainer and then I use cheesecloth to get all the excess seeds out of it. I loved guava growing up, especially the green ones back in Jamaica. See the seeds? They're like really hard. And I just use my NutriBullet. A girl is just lazy to wash, blender or juicer. And of course, with these guavas, I did add water to blend them. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Please give your girl a like. It is free. Thank you for stopping by. Don't be mean with the like. I give you a second to subscribe, set that notification bell, and also to like the video. Don't forget to drop a comment and also share the video. I have lots of juice videos in my playlist. Go check them out. So here I'm using the cheesecloth to strain to get all the excess seeds out of it. And just like that, once my pineapple was boiled and cooled, I just strained this and added it to my guava, which is already blended with the ginger. Pineapple skin has lots of health benefits. Once done, I sweeten with some granulated sugar. Please feel free to use whatever sweetener you choose and you like. Lastly but not least, I added some lemon juice into mine to help add flavor and additional taste. Thank you for stopping by today to see this juice video doing some guava pineapple juice packed with lots of vitamin C, and our body needs this. Add ice and pour your juice on and listen. This was lit. Another lit video. Have a great day when you see this, and don't forget, please remember to like the video. It's always free to like, always free to stop by. Thank you for your support. On to the next.